Ever wonder why a speeding car can maintain a steady speed while a roller coaster rapidly changes how fast it moves? Or why runners speed up during a race, but their final time isn't just about how fast they were going? These questions all involve the concepts of speed, velocity, and acceleration. Welcome back to. Today we're going to break down these terms, so you can understand how they work in the world around you. Let's start with speed. Speed tells you cover in a given time. For example, if you're driving at 60 miles per hour, that means you're covering 60 miles every hour. Speed doesn't care about direction, just how fast you're moving. Now let's move on to velocity. Velocity is similar to speed, but it adds direction into the mix. For instance, if you're driving at 60 miles per hour north, that's your velocity. But if you change direction, even though your speed stays the same, your velocity changes too. Velocity helps us understand not only how fast something is moving, but also where it's headed. Finally, we have acceleration. Acceleration measures how quickly your velocity changes over time. It's not just about speeding up, acceleration includes slowing down or changing direction too. Think about a roller coaster. It's constantly accelerating as it speeds up, slows down, and twists through loops. Even if its speed is high, the constant change in velocity means it's always accelerating. So, next time you're in a car, take a moment to notice how speed, velocity, and acceleration work together. You may drive at a steady speed, but every time you take a turn or press the brakes, you're changing your velocity, which means you're accelerating. These concepts are all around us, making movement more complex than just how fast we're going. Next time on, we'll dive into the physics of work, energy, and power. Ever wonder how much energy it takes to power a city or move a heavy object? We'll break it down next time, so stay tuned. Like and subscribe for more bite-sized science that makes the universe easier to understand, one concept at a time.